before we start to put something in our class, so make our class more useful for us, so we need to know what does it mean, attributes and methods. So what was the difference? First thing is that attributes, it's something what can describe your object. So what is the object? We have 3 objects here, so it means this is the first object and we call it instance sometimes. Okay, you can call it object or instance. So this is something what we have here. This is second object or second instance, third object or third instance. So we have objects, and these objects, they have attributes and methods, and we use these attributes and methods in the class book, and we will use it in logic as well. Okay, so but what does it mean? So attributes or one attribute, it's something what can describe your objects. So it means it can be in a book correlation, it can be, for example, title of the book, for example, author of the book, how many pages has a book, for example, material of the book, and so on and so on. It's something what can describe the book, your object. Okay, so it means book 1, book 2, book 3. Okay, because this book will have a different title, different author, different number of pages, and maybe the same material because it will be from paper. Okay, but after that, what about the methods? Methods means that it's something like functions from the Python, and attributes, you can imagine that something like variables. Okay, so methods means that it do something. So what can do our books objects? For example, change price, make discount, or print out book info, and so on and so on. So it means it does something. Okay, it can change the price of the book, make a discount about the book, print out the book or info about the book, and so on and so on. Okay, so I hope that you see the difference. Okay, attributes, title, author, pages, material, something will describe the book, and here it's something what can be able, so what we can do with the book, change the price, make discount, print out book info. Okay, so for example, if this I don't know, if this object will be, for example, a student, so what will be attribute at student? For example, eyes color. Okay, weight, height, and so on and so on. And what about some methods? What can a student do? For example, write test. Okay, whatever you want. Go forward, go backward. Okay, speak, and so on and so on. I hope that you understand. Okay, so I will erase this because I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so because we speak about books, and I hope that you understand. Book is or attribute, it's something what can describe the object, and method, it's something what the object can do. Okay, and that is very, very important because we will work with attributes and methods here in our class, and after that these objects can use these attributes and these class and these methods. Okay, so I hope you understand the difference.